Hey guys, this video shows how to step-by-step replace your TOMMEE TIPPEE Perfect Prep filter. Your first step is to purchase your filter available online or in selected stores. There's instructions found in the back of the packaging, or if you still have your instruction booklet. Preparing your filter. So your first step is to take the filter out of its packaging and take the sticker off. So touch the blue cap only and grab the biggest jug you have and put it in the water. Keep it submerged in the water until all the bubbles are out. Press and hold the forward button for 3 seconds until the tools or gear icon appears. Now scroll over to Fit New Filter. And press the center button. And now you will be removing your old filter cartridge. Throw away your old filter cartridge wherever you see fit. Now place a good sized cup on your tray and press the center button again, and all your water will start draining out. This may take over 10 minutes, so if you want to go get yourself a coffee, feel free, but keep an eye on your machine. Pause your machine if you have to and get rid of your water. Then hit resume again to begin draining. So once your water is all drained, boil some water in your kettle and pour 1 litre of water in a jug and pour all that water into the unit. Also put your cup back into position and press the center button again. Another big deep clean will commence. So yet again, once all your water is drained, your unit will say cleaning complete. And then install filter, which means it's time to get your cartridge sitting in the jug of water. Take your cartridge out by the blue cap only and place it snug into the unit like so. So now it's time to get your jug again and fill it up with cold water and fill it into the tank. Wait till the water filters through and your machine will automatically turn off. So it's time to turn your machine on. And your unit will ask to put your mug back into the stand. Now your machine says that it's priming and all the water again will be draining out. Now this is the final step before you're nearly close to the finishing line. Your unit will then say discard your water. This is where you click the center button. The machine will then display that your tank temperature is too high. This is because there is no water in your tank. So grab your jug, fill it up with water, and then commence to fill your tank. The water will commence to filter through to the water chamber. And once your water has filled up, the machine will automatically go to the start screen, which means you have successfully finished installing your filter cartridge and your machine is now ready to use. I hope this video has helped you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to watch further future video segments from my channel. Thanks guys for watching.